Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna talk about kindness is my superpower. Kindness makes you feel good. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about kindness is everywhere, even though we are surrounded by negativity and hurtfulness and disrespect. Thank you. Hello everyone, if you look close enough, humankind has a tendency to be kind. Thank you. But why? Why should we be kind? What are the benefits of kindness? And how should we kindness to others? Thank you. Good morning everyone. Kindness is a personality to help others. You can be a good friend by saying thank you. Everyone, one act of kindness can change someone's day. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Kindness is being a good friend. You can be a good friend by sailing and playing with someone. Thank you. Your friend is having a bad day. Be kind to them. Tell them how great they are. Give them a big hug. This will feel much better. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Teachers are kind every day for helping us new and exciting field. Thank you. Be kind with your words too. It is so important that you are kind with the things you say. Thank you. Kindness is taking care of your pets, being nice to other animals you may see. Hello everyone, kindness is sharing with others. When you share, it shows that you care. And caring for others is the best way to be kind. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Kindness is being nice to your siblings. They are your best friend in life. So always remember to treat them with kindness. Kindness is thinking well, police officer, firefighters. These heroes risk their lives every day to keep us safe. Thank you. Good morning everyone. If you are like to others, it gives you magical life to treat others how you want to be treated. Thank you. Hello everyone. Kindness can make this world better place. Kind action by giving someone a smile or a wave. Thank you. Hello everyone. I hope that everyone is nice with each other and that's my wish. And do with ourselves. Others up. Everyone, choose to set down some fun, love, and understanding. Thank you. No matter how educated, talented, or cool you are, how you treat people, that is all. Thank you. Everyone, always do what is right, not what is easy. Kindness spreads like a virus. Thank you. Hello everyone.
morning, night. My heart and in my soul. Got a reason for this joy I can't control. I wanna sing, I wanna dance, and give everyone a chance to hear about this endless love I know. What you give to me is not for me to keep. It's for the world to see, to love. Every day you're giving me your kindness. Every day you're giving me your love. With every single breath I am reminded that what you give is more than enough. So I'll give a little kindness, give a little kindness, give a little love away. Give a little kindness, give a little kindness, give a little love away. When I am feeling low, I wanna see